What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. My name is Steve, and I thank you for joining us today. Before we begin, we are so close to 1,000 subscribers, which is my first goal of many. 1,000, 10,000, 100, 100,000, million, you know how it goes. So if you're new here and you like what I'm doing, smash that subscribe button below and drop me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys are working on. I literally always respond. So today, we are working on a Civic. She's been needing some love for a while now. Distributor needs to come out. I need to replace some things on that. I also need to put a new thermostat back in. I took that one out. So we need to put some coolant in it and see if that'll work. If burping the coolant properly, again, does not solve my overheating issue, I have another head gasket. I also have some brand new head bolts, so that's good. We'll throw those in if need be. But first things first, I just want to make sure it's not the obvious before I tear the whole head apart. Alrighty, y'all, time to get to work.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Alrighty, y'all. As you can see, I got the distributor off just fine. No problem there. Problem comes when you try and take the distributor off. And everybody warns you against this, but these screws right here, super pain in the ass. Both of them are not gonna come out. So rather than, fiddle around with it, I could probably pick up a used one for about 30 bucks. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that and be done with it.
1 hour later.
I got them off. As you can see, I had to Dremel them out. Pain in the ass. Broke 2 little Dremel things, but yeah, they can come off with a flathead now. So I'm gonna go pick the girls up from school, and then I'll be back to take care of all this. Alright, y'all, so the bolt to get my thermostat off is stripped, so I don't know what the deal is with that. I have to fix that, but I'm not dealing with that right now. I would like to see if it turns on. I'm not sure if the car's gonna start. I'll probably need to jump it, but I think it's time. Alrighty, y'all, so I had to write this tune. Let's see. What the hell? Seriously? Alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna be honest. I feel defeated. Yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on what this could be, let me know, please, in the comment section below. And we're so close to 1,000, so if you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button, because I'm like less than 30 away at this point, I believe. And I'm really, really grateful for every single one of you. So let's get me to 1,000, then get me to 2,000, then 10,000. You know the deal. All right, guys, if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out, Cub Scouts.